the most popular affiliate marketing platform with Amazon, which is used around the world. In affiliate marketing, we take some product and sell it on our own and make money as a commission. In Pakistan, it depends on how much you sell and how much commission you earn. Buy and sell the domain. Buying and selling domains is another way to make money online. The easiest and fastest way to make money is by buying and selling domains names. You will find thousands of websites where you can purchase any domain by searching Google. By domain, you can easily purchase a domain by GoDaddy, which is the most popular website from buying domains. When you buy a domain, you can later sell it for the price you want. You will be able to see how easy it is to buy and sell a domain, as well as how easy it is to earn money online. Flipping website. You can also make money by buying and selling. That is, buy for less money and sell for more money and earn profit. This process is called the flipping process. You can search on Google. There are many websites where you can flip your business. You can sell any of your website, app, YouTube channel, game ID, Instagram account, etc. and earn money online in Pakistan. Next way is sell your digital courses online. By buying and selling websites, you can also make money. Buying at a discount and selling for the higher price will yield a profit. It is known as the flipping process. It is easy to flip your business using Google. There are a variety of platforms to choose from. Earn money online in Pakistan by selling your website, app, YouTube channel, game ID, Instagram account, etc. Now the next way is start reselling hosting. In the same way, you can sell digital courses and domains. You can also sell hosting. Reselling hosting is another way to make money online in Pakistan without investment. You can earn money from your hobby of hosting without any investment. If you love it, you can resell the hosting business and earn money. Be sure you are well informed about everything, that you don't get confused. Sell your graphics. In my opinion, graphic design is one of the most popular business today. Graphic designers are in high demand. You can earn money from your hobby if you love graphics. You can earn money online by selling your graphics design skills. You can sell it on Fiverr, Upwork, and many other platforms. Sell your products on Daraz. You can sell any type of product on Daraz. In my opinion, Daraz is one of the most popular companies in Pakistan, where people sell their products and do businesses online. Daraz is so well known that everyone knows about it. To get all the information, you must visit their official website. You can do business well if you have the information.